First of all, greeting to our lecturer, Madam Josephine, and all my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Jumaat, and today I would like to present to you about my project. But before I continue, let me show you the content listed. There are 6 contents listed in this presentation. The first content will be the introduction of lemon. Second, propagation selected. Third, tools and materials. Fourth, procedure. Fifth, care and maintenance. And last will be the conclusion. Alright, let's go to the first content, which is introduction of lemon. Citrus lemon was the scientific name of lemon. Lemon is a species of a small evergreen tree in the flowering plant family Rutaceae. Native to Asia, primarily Northeast India, Assam, northern Myanmar, and China. A genomic study of the lemon indicates it was a hybrid between bitter orange, which is the sour orange, and citron. The tree's ellipsoidal yellow fruit is used for culinary and non-culinary purposes throughout the world, primarily for its juice, which has both culinary and cleaning uses. The pulp and the rind are also used in cooking and baking. The juice of the lemon is about 5% to 6% citric acid, with a pH of 2.2, giving it a sour taste. The distinctive sour taste of lemon juice makes it a key ingredient in drinks and food such as lemonade and lemon meringue pie. Okay, let's go to the next content, which is propagation selected. The propagation that I select for a lemon is marcoting, also known as air layering. It's a technique for cloning woody plants that are difficult to root from cuttings. This method entails getting roots to grow on a branch still linked to the parent plant and propagating a new plant from it. Instead of producing fruit trees from seeds, air layering is often the preferred method of a propagation because seeds may not produce plants of the same quality as the parent. It will also take longer to grow because the new plant must develop from seed to juvenile stage before producing the first fruit. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide, which is the third slide, tools and materials. Okay, the tools and materials that we use in the project are raffia rope, plastic wrap, knife or cutter, GV7, pail, and the most important thing, lemon tree. Okay, next will be the procedure. The first procedure, GV7 was soaked in water overnight or day so that it can absorb the water until moist. Second, choose a moderately hard stem part of the lemon tree to make sure it is easy to manage and the roots will grow faster. Third, the eye-shaped slash for about half or 1 inch length was made around the selected stem using a knife, but make sure the slash is done only on the skin to avoid the stem from breaking. Fourth, we tore the skin that has been cut off the stem. Fifth, the greenish layer was scraped until it became white, but be careful to not be rough so that the cambium not damaged. Sixth, the wrapper was tied at the bottom using raffia rope to make sure the GV7 still stick to the stem. Seventh, after that the stem was wrapped with GV7, covered with the plastic wrap and tied it with raffia rope tightly. Last, Leave it for 2 until 3 months to produce their own root. Next part will be care and maintenance. Lemon plant need to be care and maintenance during the growth stage, which is after the marketing process done and after the lemon plant transferred to the polybag. During the marketing stage, we need to make sure the plant in good condition without any attack from any pest. Next, make sure the plastic wrap not torn and the raffia wrap not broken or loose. If happen, make sure to rechange the plastic wrap and tie the raffia wrap more tightly. Then, right after the root growth, transfer it to the polybag slowly to prevent the root from broken. Leave it at the polybag for 2 until 3 months for the root becomes stronger. Always water the lemon plant twice a day, in the morning and evening, to prevent the plant from stunt and withering. Then make sure to always spray the lemon plant every 2 weeks in combination with insecticide, pesticides, and foliar fertilizers. While spraying, make sure to use mask and appropriate clothes during the work. Lastly, after the plant already get enough care, within 2 months, it can be transferred to ground for the next growth. Okay, last content will be the conclusion. In conclusion, marketing, marketage, pot layering, circumposition, and booties are all vegetative plant multiplication technique, in which aerial stems are rooted while still attached to the parent plant. Other layering techniques include tip layering, simple layering, complex or serpentine stacking, mound or stool layering, and trench layering. This approach can be used to propagate a variety of trees, shrubs, bamboo, and herbaceous plants. Air layering is often used to root plants that can be duplicated with stem cuttings. Some plants have prostrate stems that root spontaneously when they come into touch with the soil, indicating that stem cuttings are easy to root. Compared to other vegetative propagation strategies, air layering has various advantages. For starters, air layering ensures rooting success. The following phase is air layering, often known as marcoting. With fewer plants and less effort and equipment, it can produce more layers. Finally, larger plants that grow rapidly can be produced more quickly. That's all from my project and my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.